Good morning, everybody. As you all know, due to COVID-19, all education institutes are in lockdown condition. To meet and complete the classes, we are planning to conduct online classes. Today's class is FET. What is meant by FET means field effect transistor. This is also a semiconducting device. After 1970, from 1970 onwards, most of the semiconductor devices are came on this way. FET is also introduced. This is the FET means field effect transistor. What is the main difference between FET and BJT, bipolar junction transistor means we all know about transistor. What is meant by transistor means it is an amplifier which is used to amplify the low level signal into high level signal. Based on the same condition, FET is also working. How it is working, like we see about all these things. What is the main difference between a FET and a BJT? First of all, we have to know about what is the difference between a FET and a BJT. FET means field effect transistor and BJT means bipolar junction transistor. This one, bipolar junction transistor, it is a current controlling device, whereas FET means it is a voltage controlling device. And the main difference between this BJT and FET is, first difference is this is current controlling device and FET is a voltage controlling device. Secondly, the main difference is in case of BJT, current conduction is made possible by both charge carriers, nothing but majority and minority charge carriers. On the other hand, in case of FET, current conduction is made possible only by the one charge carrier, nothing but either by electrons or by holes, not by both. That is why we are calling that BJT is a bipolar junction transistor. On the other hand, FET is a unipolar junction transistor. Symbolically, how we are supposed to represent it? In case of transistor, we defined as emitter, base and collector. Now in this case FET, we are supposed to be classifying as source, gate and drain. Before going to discuss about these things, first of all we have to know about what are the types of FET. FET are simply defined in two types. Very first one is JFET and second one is MOSFET. MOSFET or MOSFET. In case of JFET, these are further classified into two types: N-channel JFET and P-channel JFET. JFET means, first we are defining about JFET. JFET means junction field effect transistor, nothing but applications are made possible using this junction. How it is supposed to be working? Let me see about these things. This is the source terminal, this is the gate and this drain. Observing the two symbols, here in this case, one of the differences in case of N-channel and P-channel is arrow mark. This arrow towards gate is called N-channel and away from the gate is called P-channel MOSFET. P-channel JFET. This one we are supposed to be simply defining about how it is basically working. In this one, observing the case, in case of N-channel JFET, we are supposed to be connecting two P-type channels. This one and the second one. These two are internally connected with one another. These two are internally connected with one another. In between these two, N-channel is connected and it is connected with the source. Observe the condition, the source terminal is connected at this end and the drain terminal is connected at another end. Current conduction is supposed to be conducting at this source and drain only. Whereas in case of BJT, and by giving inputs or sufficient input signal to this one, we are supposed to get getting a output that is a collector source. On the other, but here in this case, in case of JFET, the difference between this JFET and BJT means in case of junction field effect transistor, current conduction is made possible only by source and drain. On the application of applying small amount of voltage at this one, here we are getting a more voltage. Nothing but due to on the application of applying this one, consider this case VGS, nothing but voltage across gate to source. By controlling this voltage across gate to source, we can control output drain to source voltage and ID, drain current. That is why we are supposed to be using this JFET. In case of what is the difference between P-channel and N-channel means, observe the condition. In case of N-channel JFET and P-channel JFET, both drain. This is the symbolic. This is the basic circuit diagram of source base. So common source common source JFET in case of N channel, common source JFET in case of a P channel. In this one P channel, this is N, and this is also N. Observe the condition. In this one, what we are supposed to be using means here simply this is the basic functional diagram of N channel JFET. In this one, we are supposed to be using this one gate, source, and a drain. Observing the condition, this is the same thing. The gate is connected to, this is N is connected to bandless negative terminal, and source is connected to bandless positive terminal. Observing the condition, this is called input is connected in reverse bias. Due to connection of this reverse bias, what happens means the depletion layer, the layer existing in bit 1 is supposed to be extending, and these two are internally connected. That is why the total current is supposed to be basing on this gate voltage. On the application of small, when this input gate voltage is 0, by applying a small amount of VGS, what happens means output VGS is small, nothing but almost 0. Practically, we are considering that input gate current, input IG is always 0, and on the application of small amount of VGS, rapid encroachment is happening because always the source terminal is connected in the reverse bias with respect to the terminals, with respect to N channel or P channel. If you are using N channel, it is connected to positive terminal. If you are using P channel, they are connecting bandless negative terminal. Nothing but input in gate to source always connected in reverse bias. Due to this reverse bias, the depletion layer further increases. This layer starts further increasing. This layer starts further increasing. To this excess increase, what happens means it is more reverse bias, and there is a small amount of gate voltage and consequently output. We are getting a greater output at this one. And the main difference between this JFET and BJT, nothing but in this one we are supposed to be applying input gate to source voltage. We are getting drain current. On the other hand, whereas in BJT we are applying small input voltage and we are getting high output voltage. Whereas in case of JFET, what happening means the input impedance is very high because of the application of this reverse bias connecting at input gate to source voltage. Okay, based on the same principle, we are supposed to be using this P channel. If we want to use this P channel, this is two ends connected in this one. In this we are observing these are the electrons, nothing but charge carriers. N channel is electron charge carriers. This is the small two P regions connected internally with one another. This is the basic function of FET, types of FET, difference between FET and JFET, and difference between JFET and BJT. What is the N channel, P channel, construction of JFET? Nothing but input is connected in reverse bias, connected in forward bias. Working of this one on the application of gate voltage, we are supposed to getting. In this one, what the definition actually we said is it is a voltage controlling device by applying this VGS voltage across gate to source. The drain current starts increasing. If we want to increase current, we are supposed to be increasing the reverse bias. If we want to decrease the one, we are supposed to be decreasing this current. Nothing but the output current based on this input voltage. Nothing but it is a voltage controlling device. Okay. Now we recall once again about what they today completed means. What is meant by FET? FET means a field effect transistor, and this is the symbolic representation of FET, general FET, which is having three terminals: source, gate, and drain, like emitter, base, and collector. And what the difference between FET and BJT means bipolar junction is a current controlling device, whereas FET is a voltage controlling device. Difference between JFET and BJT means it is in case BJT is a bipolar junction transistor, nothing but current conduction is made possible only by majority and minority charge carriers. On the other hand, in case of JFET, current conduction is made possible only by electrons or by holes, but not both. That is why we are calling JFET as unipolar devices. On the other hand, this is called bipolar devices. Okay. Now we are supposed to be differentiating the types of FETs. FETs are broadly classified into two types. The first one is JFET and second one is MOSFET. JFETs are classified into N channel JFET and P channel JFET. Whereas N channel, P channel both are having source gate and drain. Only the difference between these two is arrow. When it is towards gate, it is called N channel and it is called gate. Construction of N channel. How a construction of N channel JFET is happening means we are forming two PN junctions. This is one PN junction and this is another PN junction. Like this is one PN junction and another PN junction. In this one, two P layers are immersed in this one, and in between this source terminal, this is called depletion layer. This is called the depletion layer. This depletion layer is supposed to be, we know that in case transistors and diodes, we observe this depletion layer. On the application of forward bias depletion, it will close. On the application reverse bias depletion starts increasing. In this one, the JFET, what we are using this source, gate and drain. As per the previously discussed about this one, on the application, always input is connected in reverse bias. Due to this in reverse bias, depletion starts increasing. Application of small gate voltage, greater output will happen at VDS. That is why we are calling this one as voltage controlling devices. Comparing with the JFET and by BJT, these are popularly using in nowadays because basing on that construction, it is very easy and size very small in size. Power dissipation very less consumption comparing with BJT. And one more additional feature of this JFET is popular in device, most heat sink device comparing with BJT. Thank you. We will discuss more details in our next class. And I would like to conclude one more thing. ఈ కోవిడ్లో మనం తీసుకోవాల్సిన ప్రధానమైన జాగ్రత్తలు ఏంటి? మనందరికీ తెలుసు, రోజు మనం టీవీలోనే పేపర్లో చూస్తున్నాం. ఖచ్చితంగా సామాజిక దూరాన్ని పాటించాలి. స్టే ఎట్ హోమ్, సేఫ్ హోమ్. ఇంట్లోనే ఉండండి, క్షేమంగా ఉండండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.